Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick little video about this worksheet balancing act that is on your assignment list for today. Yesterday, the buses delivered some bags of materials to you. Some of those things are items that we used in the classroom before distance learning began. And other things, I tried to put them right on top, are things that we'll be using over the next 2 weeks here. So for balancing act, the main focus is to get the two sides to be equal. Okay, so if balancing is throwing you off and making it confusing, think about it being equal. So whatever's on the left side needs to equal the right side, or whatever's on the right side needs to equal the left side. So for this first equation here, you will see 19. So 19 is on the left, so I need to make the right equal 19. And I have a starting point here because I have 8. So then I will count on until I get to 19. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I'll go back and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 11 will equal 19. And then I would write 11 here on the line. Let's look at the next side. So here we have 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 equals blank plus 13. Well, I see one of the add-ins, one of the partners on the other side. So if 13 plus 6 is equal to this side, then I know that this has to be 6 because 13 plus 6. I can't put 5 and 1 or 4 and 2 because there's only one blank. So I just have to put the one number there. Okay, so let's go down to the next one here. 2 plus blank equals 3 plus 8. Well, since this is the complete side, and I want to make them equal, I'm going to figure out what this complete side equals first. So 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So this side equals 11. So now I need to make the left side equal 11. So 2, and I'm going to count on until I get to 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. So 2 plus 9 equals 11. So that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, just let me know. You will need to make note that some of these problems are subtraction. So you really need to think about that. Look at the sign because then you'll get the correct math done.